Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website gigabyte.com. This is the official website, so you can download the driver. Then you can see here search button. You just enter, click on, and after that you have to type your model number of motherboard and then hit enter. Click on product, then click to the title of the motherboard. Then click to support. Select your operating system because all Windows 10 and 11 both operating system installations process same. Select any. So first audio driver, you can see this is Realtek audio driver and click to download. So it is completed. Just open. This is 165 audio driver. You can see this is 165 and open. Double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. So guys, this is automatically closed means this is installed. So this is closed means this is installed and then close it. Chipset. So enter this one driver and click to download. Completed. That's just open. Double click to exe. This is extracted driver and then yes. Now this is extracting. After that you can see this is installing and then open and then close it. Then this one internal drivers and just click in and complete it. Double click to exe and then yes. Same, this is installing and it will close means this is installed automatically. Then it is closed means this is installed. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver. This is size and just click to download. and LAN driver completed. That just turn single click to open and double click to exe. This is extracted, that's why I have to, otherwise you can extract to a specific folder and then you can install, otherwise you can just have to double click. Then require administrator rights to install, then yes. Now this is installing. Then guys, this is automatically close, means this is install. Then close VGA and just take it, Intel VGA, and this is size 770. Okay, I already downloaded. You just click to download here, download button, and just click to download. After that it start downloading. You can see this is 770. Okay, just open, and this is just double click to extract, and after that restart. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing, and this is automatically closed, means this is installed. Bluetooth driver, see this is Bluetooth driver, and click to download. It is start downloading. You can see it will complete, just single click to open. This is installed, and just open it and double click to exe, and then yes. Installing, so wait few seconds, it will close automatically, means this is installed. Okay, and then close it. WLAN means Wi-Fi. You extract, you can see Wi-Fi driver, and click to download. Then guys, it is downloaded Wi-Fi driver. Just open exe, then click to yes for administrators to install. This is extracting to your system for the installation. Now this is installing the driver of the Wi-Fi. It will close automatically with this is installed. So it is closed means this is installed. Thank you.